Imagine walking into a home that feels instantly peaceful, warm, and perfectly tidy, without any sign of a cleaning frenzy. It's almost as if the space maintains itself. But here's the truth. Seniors with spotless homes don't rely on hours of cleaning or organizing. Instead, they follow 6 simple, everyday habits that keep their homes looking fresh and inviting with minimal effort. What if I told you these habits could transform your living space too? Stick with me to uncover the secret habit that makes all the difference. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. 1. Never leave a room empty-handed. One of the easiest and most effective ways to keep your home tidy is a habit that is simple yet powerful. Never leave a room empty-handed. This practice might sound too basic to be effective, but it truly works in preventing clutter from piling up. The trick is to always take something with you when leaving a room, whether it's a stray coffee mug, a piece of mail, or any item that has been left behind. Many people overlook these small messes, but over time, they can accumulate and create a bigger cleaning task. Seniors, in particular, who maintain tidy homes, often follow this rule as part of their daily routine. Imagine sitting in your living room, enjoying a warm cup of tea or reading a magazine. When you finish, instead of leaving the empty cup or the magazine behind, you simply take it with you. Whether you head to the kitchen to place the cup in the sink or return the magazine to its proper spot, this small action ensures that nothing is left to clutter the room. It may seem like a minor step, but it helps maintain order in a home and prevents the buildup of mess, which would require a larger, more time-consuming cleaning session later. Take Alice, for example. At 72 years old, she maintains a pristine home and attributes her success to this simple habit. When asked about how she keeps things so organized, she explains, "I just put things away as I go." Rather than waiting for the mess to accumulate throughout the day, she deals with small tasks as they arise. This approach reduces the need for extensive cleaning later and creates a sense of control over her living space. By making tidying up a regular part of her routine, Alice avoids overwhelming herself with big cleaning chores. This easy habit can make a significant difference in maintaining a neat, organized home. 2. Follow the 2-minute rule. Another simple but powerful habit for maintaining a tidy home is the 2-minute rule. Seniors who have consistently clean homes understand that small tasks, if addressed immediately, can prevent bigger messes from forming later. The 2-minute rule is exactly as it sounds. If a task will take 2 minutes or less to complete, do it right away. This approach ensures that small chores don't pile up and overwhelm you later. For example, let's say you come home and drop your coat on a chair instead of hanging it up. At first, this may seem like a small, insignificant action. However, over time, other small tasks start to accumulate. Shoes are left by the door, unopened mail starts to gather on the counter, and dishes begin to pile up in the sink. Eventually, all these small tasks snowball into a larger mess that makes the house feel cluttered and disorganized. But seniors who follow the 2-minute rule take care of these tasks immediately. Hanging up your coat takes only a few seconds, tossing out junk mail takes under a minute, and wiping down the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth takes just a couple of minutes. These simple, proactive actions ensure that clutter never has a chance to build up. Take Frank, a 75-year-old man who seems to have no clutter in his home. When asked about his cleaning habits, he says, "I don't let things sit." Frank rinses dishes right after eating, wipes down surfaces as soon as he notices dust, and tackles any small messes as soon as they arise. This habit keeps his home organized without the need for deep cleaning sessions. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it removes the mental burden of unfinished tasks, allowing you to maintain a sense of clarity and keep your home organized with minimal effort. By adopting this habit, you can prevent clutter from taking over your home, making cleanliness feel effortless. 3. Reset the home before bed. Seniors with spotless homes know the secret to starting each day on the right foot. They practice a simple habit of resetting their home before bed. This isn't about deep cleaning, but rather taking a few moments to tidy up, ensuring that you wake up to a calm and organized space. The key is consistency, making sure that small messes don't accumulate and overwhelm you in the morning. Consider the difference between waking up to a clean, clutter-free kitchen and living room versus waking up to dirty dishes, scattered papers, and a lingering mess from the day before. The contrast is striking. A tidy space sets a peaceful tone for the day ahead, whereas a messy environment can instantly cause stress and feelings of being behind before the day even begins. A quick reset before bed helps ensure that the space you wake up to is refreshing, not chaotic. Take Linda, for example, a 68-year-old who swears by her nightly ritual. Before heading to bed, she walks through her home, straightening up along the way. She fluffs the cushions, puts away any stray items, and makes sure the sink is empty. By the time she wakes up, everything is already in place, and she starts her day feeling calm and organized. This small task, taking only 5 to 10 minutes, has a huge impact on her morning. The key isn't striving for perfection. It's about setting yourself up for a peaceful tomorrow. By adopting this habit of resetting your space each night, you'll eliminate the stress of waking up to a messy home and set a positive tone for your day. It's a simple but effective routine that helps you maintain a clean, organized home without feeling overwhelmed by chores. A quick reset before bed is all it takes to start each day feeling refreshed and ready to take on whatever comes your way. 4. Keep the most used spaces clutter-free. While keeping a clean home is important, seniors with Spotless Homes know that not every part of the house needs to be perfect all the time. Instead of stressing about every single detail, they focus on maintaining the spaces they use most often. Areas like the kitchen, entryway, and living room. These key areas play a major role in setting the overall tone for the home. Think about it. When you enter a home, the first places that catch your attention are usually the kitchen counters, the living room, and the main walkways. If these areas are neat and organized, the entire home feels cleaner, even if there's some messes elsewhere. This approach is why seniors who keep their homes spotless don't worry about organizing every drawer or scrubbing every corner. They prioritize keeping the most used areas under control, ensuring that the spaces you interact with most often always look tidy. Take Barbara, a 74-year-old woman, as an example. She's quick to point out that she doesn't strive for perfection in every corner of her home. Instead, she focuses on wiping down her kitchen counters, clearing the surfaces in her living room, and keeping the main walkways free of clutter. By doing this, she creates an immediate sense of order. The rest of the house might have a few small messes, but the key areas are clean and welcoming. This simple habit helps her feel like her home is always in good shape and allows her to enjoy the spaces she uses daily without feeling overwhelmed by constant tidying. The focus on keeping the most used spaces clutter-free is a straightforward yet effective strategy for creating a clean and organized environment. By maintaining these high-traffic areas, you can make your home feel orderly without having to dedicate too much time to cleaning every room. If you're still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment 1 below to let me know that you are still here with me. 5. Embrace daily maintenance, not deep cleaning. Rather than relying on exhausting deep cleaning marathons over the weekend, seniors with consistently clean homes embrace the practice of daily maintenance. This approach revolves around regular, small habits that keep the home tidy and prevent the mess from piling up in the first place. By focusing on daily upkeep, it becomes easier to maintain a clean space, avoiding the stress and physical strain of long cleaning sessions later. The key is staying on top of small tasks, which collectively ensure the home remains in good shape with minimal effort. For example, seniors might spend a few minutes each day wiping down kitchen surfaces after meals, folding laundry as soon as it's out of the dryer, or sweeping the floors every evening. These small, consistent actions help keep the home from getting out of control, and they don't require hours of hard work or excessive effort. A quick wipe down of kitchen counters after cooking ensures that crumbs or spills don't accumulate, making future cleanups much easier. Folding laundry immediately after it comes out of the dryer prevents piles of clothes from building up and creating unnecessary clutter. Sweeping the floors daily keeps dust and debris at bay, so the house stays fresh without needing a full vacuuming session every few days. Take Jane, for instance, a 68-year-old woman who has made daily maintenance a natural part of her evening routine. She dedicates just 15 minutes each night to tidying up her home. During this time, she puts away dishes, straightens up the cushions on her couch, and sweeps the floors. These quick tasks only take a few minutes each, but they prevent bigger messes from piling up, making her home consistently clean and organized. By setting aside just a small amount of time every day, Jane avoids the overwhelming task of deep cleaning, which often becomes physically and mentally draining if left until the weekend. This approach to daily maintenance gives seniors more control over their environment, allowing them to maintain a clutter-free, peaceful space without feeling overwhelmed by chores. Since cleaning is broken down into manageable tasks, there's no need to spend hours scrubbing every corner of the home. Instead, each day's small efforts prevent dirt and mess from accumulating, creating a harmonious living space. This sense of ongoing upkeep not only contributes to a tidier environment, but also provides a mental sense of calm, knowing that the house is always in good shape. Daily maintenance allows for a steady rhythm of cleaning, making it feel less like a burden and more like a natural, easy habit integrated into daily life. Ultimately, embracing daily maintenance makes it possible for seniors to keep their homes looking great with minimal effort. Rather than facing an overwhelming cleaning spree, they can enjoy a steady, manageable approach to tidiness that suits their lifestyle. It's an effective, long-term strategy that promotes both cleanliness and mental well-being, creating a space that feels organized, comfortable, and peaceful every day. By dedicating just a small amount of time each day to maintaining the home, seniors ensure that their living space remains welcoming, clutter-free, and easy to manage without the need for extensive deep cleaning sessions. 6. Involve the whole household. A clean home isn't just a result of one person's efforts. It's a collective responsibility that requires the involvement of everyone in the household. Seniors with Spotless Homes often recognize that maintaining a tidy space is not a task that should fall solely on one individual, but rather a shared responsibility that includes family members or anyone they live with. When everyone pitches in, the workload becomes significantly lighter and the home stays consistently clean. By involving the whole household in daily upkeep, the burden is spread out, ensuring that no one person feels overwhelmed. Take George, for example, a 75-year-old who shares his home with his wife and grown children. Every evening, the family has a cleaning ritual that takes about 10 minutes. During this time, each family member contributes in their way. Some put away items left around the house, others wipe down surfaces, and some work together to organize the living areas. This shared responsibility helps maintain order and cleanliness, but also serves to strengthen the family's sense of community and pride in their home. By making cleaning a team effort, everyone feels invested in keeping the home in good shape, and no single person is left to handle all the work alone. When everyone in the household is involved in maintaining a clean home, the task doesn't feel like a burden or a chore. Instead, it becomes a natural part of the family routine, and everyone takes ownership of the home's cleanliness. This shared approach fosters a sense of teamwork and cooperation, creating an atmosphere where everyone feels responsible for contributing to the well-being of the living space. Additionally, it makes the home a more enjoyable place for everyone. When the environment is orderly and well-maintained, it promotes a sense of peace and comfort, and everyone can appreciate the effort that goes into making the space welcoming. This collaborative cleaning routine not only keeps the house tidy, but also helps build stronger family bonds. It offers an opportunity for the family to spend a few minutes together each day, working toward a common goal, rather than feeling like an overwhelming task. Keeping the home clean becomes something that is done together, making it easier and more enjoyable. It also teaches responsibility and cooperation, especially for younger family members, instilling the importance of contributing to the upkeep of shared spaces. In the end, involving the whole household in cleaning creates a harmonious living environment where everyone feels a sense of pride and ownership, making the home a more pleasant place to live for all. So, what have we learned today about maintaining a clean and tidy home? From simple habits like never leaving a room empty-handed to embracing daily maintenance and involving everyone in the household, these small yet impactful practices can make a huge difference in how we manage our spaces. It's about creating a routine that's easy to follow and ensures that tidying up doesn't feel like a daunting task. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What's one thing you've learned today that you plan to bring into your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave your comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and helpful content. Thanks for watching.